Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to make our own collection of aromatic soaps for beautiful and glowing skin. Let's create our own signature scent. I bought this soap base from Amazon. Let's open it. Follow the instructions. As you can see, it's a big chunk of glycerin soap base, so we need to cut it into pieces. You need to be very careful while cutting the chunk into the cubes. The soap base is very hard and slippery. You might hurt yourself, so be careful. These soap base cubes are so satisfying and feel so good. We need to melt soap base cubes. For that I am using double boiler method. In a bowl, take water and bring it to a boil. Take soap base in another empty bowl, put it on top of boiling water. Let the soap base melt completely. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Don't allow the water to come into the soap base. Watch as time flies by just in seconds. Time lapse on. We need to add all the ingredients before the soap liquid gets cooled down. So make sure you are ready with the ingredients before melting the soap. Now let's start with the beautiful rose soap. Dry the rose petals and grind them into fine powder. Now add aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon and few drops of rose essential oil. Pour the soap base liquid, mix until even consistency. Once done, transfer it to a silicone soap base mold and let it cool down. The oats honey soap. Grind rolled oats into fine powder and add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Now add few drops of sandalwood essential oil. Add soap base and give it a mix. Transfer it to soap mold. The basin soap. Take a little amount of basin, add 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil and few drops of lavender essential oil. Add soap base, mix them all together and transfer it to the mold. Here comes my favorite, the rice flour soap. Take rice flour in a small quantity. Add 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil. Now add few drops of tea tree essential oil and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Mix it all together. Add soap base and transfer it to the soap mold. Keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours. Preparing our own soap is so much fun. These soaps are so beautiful and aromatic. The fragrance of the soap can help to calm the mind and reduce the stress. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.